Today, we're going to learn about the least common multiple LCM in a very simple and easy way. Let's break down the three words in LCM. Least means the smallest or lowest number. Common means a number that is shared by two or more numbers. And multiple means a number that we get by multiplying a number with whole numbers. For example, multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, and so on. We already discussed multiples in our previous videos. Now, let's solve an example to understand the concept least common multiple. We want to find the LCM of 10 and 15. First, we write the multiples of each number. Multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and so on. Multiples of 15 are 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, and so on. Now circle all the common multiples. Here, common multiples are 30, 60, and 90. Now we have to pick the smallest value from the above common multiples. Here, the smallest number is 30. So the LCM of 10 and 15 is 30. Remember, LCM is just the smallest number that two or more numbers share in their multiples. You can also find LCM using the prime factorization method or the division method, which we'll cover in another video.